Hey everybody, got my new backpack chair right here. I'm going to show you how it works. We're just going to unzip right here. Set it out. It has a zipper pouch on this side. It has a Velcro pocket here. Has a place for your drinks right there. Now what's super cool about this chair is that when you sit in it, you can adjust it to many different heights just by pulling up on these handles. So I can go all the way down. I can pick it up, slide it back up. There's about 6 clicks in between to allow you to rest. This can just flip right back over if you want it. I can click up, zoom back a little bit more. Now when I'm all done, all you need to do, bend this back down. You're going to pull it close. Bring this back on over. Stop. And we're good to go. Check it out.